Coming to Linux and Mac forensics. Here we are talking about forensics of operating system and the way these operating systems are also used in digital forensics. So we need to understand what is Linux forensics here. We'll deal first with the Linux operating system. We also have the Parrot operating system, which is based on the Linux platform, but it is mainly we use it for doing forensic analysis or cybersecurity work. So first of all, Kali Linux or Linux-based operating systems are open operating system. They are free operating system. That means you don't need to pay for them. They are open source, and they include a numerous amount of tools that we can use for information security, penetration testing, digital forensics, security research, reverse engineering, and many, many more. So the versatility of the operating system is such that it is used for these purposes. But on a regular usage, we do not see users using Linux-based operating system. Mainly, they will be using Mac operating systems or they will be using Windows operating systems. So Kali Linux is one type of the Linux-based operating system, which is used for digital forensics, which is used for the cyber security, information security. So it is having 600 penetration tools that are pre-installed into this operating system of Kali Linux. And why is this Kali Linux or a Linux-based operating system used among such professionals? Is that because it is having a very safe development. Even though it is open source, there is a very limited number of people or limited group of people who are trusted and entrusted with the responsibility of submitting updates, packages, to the operating system, and they will only interact with the main database of the operating system. So it is not like an Android operating system where you will have anybody can contribute to the operating system. Linux-based operating systems are multilingual, so it is not only present in English or any particular language. It can be used in various languages, and they also have a lot of resource management libraries that are integrated into the mainstream version of the Linux. Further, we also have a Debian-based Linux operating system called as a Parrot operating system, which was first released in the year 2013. And basically, this Parrot operating system is used for pen testing and also for digital forensics. So the main features of the Parrot operating system are that it is having a great security. And overall, with the Linux operating system, also, it is a very secure operating system because it is having a custom kernel. Kernel, you can say, is the innermost part of the operating system. Its protection and resistance to intruders is like a first line of defense. So, it will, very, very few cases have attacks compared to the other operating systems that are used in the market. There are a variety of apps that are there that includes all the tools available in Kali Linux as well as a few more for good measure. We can customize the desktop, and the most important part of a Linux-based operating system, that is a very, very lightweight operating system. You do not require much of RAM to run it. Presently, if you look at your Windows operating system, you will require a minimum of 8 GB RAM to run. But here with Linux-based operating systems, 320 MB of RAM would suffice the use and functioning of the operating system or your PC.